Hi there, students. Barmy. Barmy, an adjective, an informal adjective. This is very British English. It means crazy, particularly talking about an idea or a course of action. I think what the government are doing at the moment is absolutely balmy. Yeah? God, I hope he hasn't had another one of his balmy ideas. Okay, so balmy, crackers, insane. Yeah? Mad, round the bend, batty, crazy, nuts, loopy, crackpot. Yeah, one of his balmy ideas, one of his doolally ideas. This idea is round the twist. Yeah, he's balmy, he's off his rocker. Yeah, um, uh, uh, a shilling short of a pound or something like that. Okay, so balmy, it's an informal British phrase meaning crazy, odd, strange. Yeah, dotty. Yeah, this guy is rather balmy. It's rather foolish. His idea of going to on holiday to the Crimea is absolutely balmy. There's a war going on. Yeah, this latest government policy is absolutely bizarre. It's totally balmy. It's totally crazy. Okay, so balmy, eccentric, foolish. Um, this is a slang British phrase. Yeah, he's had another of his silly ideas. He made a balmy decision. I think it was absolutely balmy of him to go out without an umbrella. Yeah, because it's clearly going to rain, and look at it. Any minute now it will be absolutely belting it down. Yeah, so balmy. Don't confuse it with balmy with an L. Notice the pronunciation is exactly the same. Balmy weather talks about weather that's warm and pleasant, a balmy summer evening, but that's with an L. Yeah, although spoken they're exactly the same. Okay, so a balmy idea. It's bonkers, it's certifiable, it's crackers, yeah, it's crazy, it's demented, it's deranged, it's gaga, it's insane, it's loco or loco, it's mad, yeah, it's mental, it's non-compos mentis, it's absolutely nuts, yeah, it's a bit unhinged. Okay, so balmy, an informal word in British English meaning crazy. You also have the phrase the Barmy Army. This nowadays is used as a football chant to say, we are the Barmy Army, we are the team's most loyal supporters. And the Barmy Army in itself came from a group of British cricket fans who in 1994 went to watch the England team touring Australia when it was very clear that the British team were going to get absolutely thrashed. They were going to lose very heavily. And that's where the idea of Barmy Army came from. As to the origin of Barmy, let's see. We have another meaning of balmy with an R and no L, meaning fermented yeast. Yeah, the something that's frothy with yeast fermenting in it. And as to the origin, well, the bakers used to make their bread, and they'd have little bits cut off and things like that, and they'd throw it all into a container, and that would ferment and produce a yeasty liquid, yeah, which they would then use in their bread. And this is also balm, yeah, containing the froth of fermented yeast. And you use yeast to make alcohol, to brew alcohol. And therefore, if you drink the alcohol, you go a bit balmy, a bit crazy. Or it might also come from a place called Barming in Kent, where they had a psychiatric hospital called the Barming Asylum. Started in 1833, so maybe that's the origin as well. So balmy, dotty, crazy, strange, odd, yeah, not logical. As to formality, this is an informal word. I would give Barmy a 3 out of 10. Use it informally. In a semi-formal conversation, maybe. It's probably not very good. I would probably only use it informally. So there you go, Barmy. Yeah, all these videos and different things in English are enough to drive you barmy. Yeah, it drives me balmy, this does. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Barmy.